Looks like Oren's a regular goldfish. And he's on a dinner date with Pinky. Ah, yes, Pinky. Love is filled with pains. Wait a minute. You're underdressed. You need a tail. Or at least business casual.
Oops.
And we take our dress code very seriously. Get her, Octi! Yeah, this 8-leg special's on the house. Well, slime doesn't get any fresher than this. A beauty box? Wow, it certainly has good timing. Now that's what I call an undersea treasure. A brush. Turns out they're not just for teeth. This one will really help spread out that cover-up. Probably should avoid the lips. That's why there's lipstick. And we wouldn't say no to a little rouge. After all, pink is her signature color. Oh, Octi wants to help. Or wants a makeover. He doesn't need it. But you sure need to blend. The trick to makeup is looking like you're not wearing it. Beauty is hard work. You've earned a little lunch. And I'd save that wrap. We're gonna need a lot. It's the perfect thing for making a mermaid tail. But we can't be seen without our fins. That's where these paper plates come in handy. Look, it's a little baby narwhal. Might be part pufferfish. You are what you eat, and he sure looks like pink gloop. Why don't we whip you into shape? And add glitter. See? Glitter is the answer to all life's problems. Like constructing a fashionable mermaid's tail. Fish don't normally do nets, but she kind of makes it work. And she could star in her own Little Mermaid ballet. The judges think you're the real queen of the sea. But we're not quite done with the new you just yet. For starters, let's do something about that hair. Wait, don't iron your hair. Use the beauty box.
Okay.
Yes, a dingle hopper. What every mermaid should have. Just run it through your pink locks. And soon, uh-oh. Let's hope there's some kitchen shears in there. Even better, Triton's trident. Because this looks like a job for magic.
Oh, wow!
You've never looked better. And Octi's your crowning glory. And those tentacles add just the right splash of color. Which is another water pun. Just let him sit. And pretty soon, you'll have a bunch of cute curls. Is it me, or does it look even pinker? Okay, now it's time to move on to your wardrobe. Well, fashion's fleeting, but slime is eternal. Where's a laundromat when you need one? Octi's always willing to lend a hand, and he's got 8. And more importantly, he's also got a washing machine. We just need to add our special concoction. Got the recipe from Auntie Ursula. Let the rinse cycle commence. Pretty soon, you'll have a brand new top. Well, at least it'll look like one. Let's stretch it. Oh no, our friends! Told you to be careful around nets. Don't worry, guys. We won't let you be the catch of the day. Besides, we can still put this net to better use. It'll give you just the right texture when adding makeup. All the mermaids just love the classic scale look. With this retro look, you'll look like a real star fish. Still, we should probably toss this net. Wow, I really think our new mermaid friend's starting a trend. And that trend will start sooner than you think. Aw, from one Pinky to another. Wow, looks like Pinky's gone fishing.
Oh?
Well, there's plenty of fish around here. But did anyone expect a big blue shark? Well, at least it wasn't a big blue whale. Either way, he's got a little present for us. Wow, it's beautiful! But let's see how tough it really is. Okay, it's not exactly durable, but hit it harder. We can use them to give you a little extra sparkle. Hit a little harder, and we've got glitter. Aw, so cute.
Oh, wow!
What the? What have you been feeding the sea urchins? Wait, don't touch it. You're a mermaid, not Sleeping Beauty. Here, try this glove. It should help protect you. Just what we need to take out all these needles. Looks like someone has a new hairstyle. In the meantime, we can use the needles to make a crown. Why not add some shells while we're at it? And look, a string of pearls, oyster fresh. It's beautiful. What you waiting for? Try it on. Now you look like true blue underwater royalty. Would you believe she's the girl who's got everything? Of course, even mermaids need to eat. Here's the Siren Special, Huntrix Raw Mune. It's Rumi's favorite flavor. And look, it comes with a special prize inside. I've heard of kissing on the first date, but this is ridiculous. But at least you've got those puffed up lips. Your signature color might be pink, but every mermaid needs a splash of blue. Okay, maybe we could add a little more pink after all. She may be a mermaid, but she's living la vie en rose. Okay, we've got a date with Oren. Talk about plenty of fish in the sea. Except this time, we've reeled one back. Of course, something tells me she caught him. Seriously, you can just see the cartoon hearts in his eyes. Told ya. Hey, if he kisses her, does she turn back into a real girl? I mean, it'd be a waste of a makeover. Crank out the disco ball. It's a Sprunki pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I need to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a Sprunki eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why Inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with.
Hey.
This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby Sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing, and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those choppers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad and rest of toad. A toadstool, some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time. We need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start. And who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black. Let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, all the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow, you even earned an extra life. But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not gonna complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart, in more ways than